Hello guys, Nexus Testnet 3 is out. So yesterday, the Testnet 3 was rolled out for some countries, and then today is going to be rolled out for the entire world. Early this year, we were able to run the Testnet 1 and the Testnet 2. If we are part of Testnet 1 and Testnet 2, this is Testnet 3, and it's probably going to be the last phase of the Nexus Testnet. Now, if you didn't run the Testnet 1 and the Testnet 2, you can join in this testnet tree and accumulate as much points as possible. So I'll be showing you how to run this testnet. I'll also be showing you how to connect to CLI nodes and run this testnet, so you can just continue to run. You don't have to be restarting it every single time. So stay till the end of this video so you can get to learn the various processes and how to accumulate as much points from the Nexus testnet as possible. So once you click on the link, that's app.nexus.xyz. This does not actually require referrals, so there's no referral code or anything. So once you click on the link, it's going to bring you to this dashboard, which is the Nexus 3 dashboard. This is the interface, but then this is quite battery draining, and also if you want it to stop moving like this, you can just come over to battery saver, click on battery saver, and then it's going to return to this. But I quite like this other interface. Over here, you can get to see you can see the total number of nodes that are live currently. So the total number of nodes that has been created, so active cities. And this testnet 3 currently now works for all countries. It was initially opened for like 8 countries, but it now works for all countries. So you can go ahead to sign in. So click on sign in. So click on sign in. You can, if you participated in testnet 1 and testnet 2, just go ahead to use the email you use in both testnets to register for testnet 3. But if it's the first time participating in this testnet, just use a new email. So you'll be asked to input a verification code. So you can see I've signed in, this is my wallet. So you can see right here, they just told me that all my points has been sent to my wallet, so I can claim. So this is it. So for you to be able to start this airdrop, you can just go ahead to click this button. So click this button right here, the power button. So you can see it's currently mining 8 cycles per second. This can increase based on the network around your area and the amount of points I've mined. So if you click on this place, you can find out that you can see these instructions. 1000 NEX points gives you 1 NEX tokens. So you can go ahead to read these frequently asked questions to get to understand more things about the airdrop. Then over here you will see your rewards. Then right here you will get to see your wallet and how to handle your wallet. This is right here. So I think that's it. So for this Nexus airdrop to continue running, you have to leave it on. So any attempt to maybe minimize it, go off here, it's not like layer edge, it's not going to be running in the background. You have to always leave it on. So to bypass this, right, you are going to have to purchase a node, except if you have a separate system that can be used to run the testnet differently. But if you don't have, then you always leave on. You have to buy a node. So I'll be showing you how to make use of nodes to run Nexus Testnet airdrops. So either you use Mintair node or Rapid node or XYZ. So first I'll be showing you how to use the Mintair node. So the link will be in the description. So go over to mintair.xyz. So this is the mintair.xyz. So once you open it, you can go ahead to connect your wallet right here. Connect your wallet, either your Solana wallet, your Phantom, or your MetaMask wallet, and your EVM wallet and SVM wallet. So here the wallet is connected, and then once it's connected, you can see Nexus right here. So the challenge with Mintair node is that it has slots, and the slots can get exhausted. So currently it has 142 slots. Before this video it had 10 slots, 90 slots, but I think the slots has been uploaded, and these are other airdrops that are currently running that if you want to run their nodes, can go ahead and run their nodes. So this is it. So once you've connected the wallet, you can go ahead to click on deploy. So one thing you have to know about running nodes is that it costs money. It's not free to run nodes, so it costs quite an amount of money. So to run this Mintair node for 1 week, you have to pay total of $3.99. That's like $4, right? If you want to run it for 2 weeks, it doubles for 1 month. But I suggest you run for 1 month because I don't think the Nexus testnet will last more than 1 month. Or if you don't have enough funds, you can set to run for 1 week. And this is the difference between Mintair and Rapid Node. Rapid Node does not have offers for 1 week and 2 weeks. So you can try to buy 1 or 2 nodes, you can increase it, and the more you increase it, the more the price is going to be, right? So once you've selected the amount you want to buy, you can go ahead to click on buy node. So this is where you can get to buy nodes. This is the total amount payable. That if you're buying for 1 week, this is the amount, and this is the processing fee. So you can either decide to connect your wallet to pay, or you scan this code where you can just scan and transfer from your wallet to this address. But I prefer you transfer from your wallet to this address. So I'll not be buying a node. I'm just showing how to do it because I have a separate device where I can mine the airdrop. So once you've copied the code and you've paid, it's going to reflect, and then you'll be asked to input your Nexus ID. So let me show you how to get the Nexus ID. So once you've purchased a node, you'll be asked to put your Nexus ID, right? So this is how you get your Nexus ID. Go over to this tree, this left corner here. You can see nodes, right? Click on nodes. Once you click on node, right, these are the current nodes you've run in the past, right? So just click on add CLI node. Click on add CLI node, and it's going to generate a node for you. So once it generates this node, copy it and paste it on Mintair where you've been asked to submit the node. Once you do that, it's going to appear here. They are currently running a node, and to start running. That is it. It was going to show you some lines of code that this node is currently running, and that's how you do it for Mintair. So I'll be showing how to do this. So I'll be showing how to do this also for the rapid node.xyz. So if you're not going to use Mintair, maybe because your node got exhausted, and so you can use rapid node. You can see app.rapidnode.xyz. You can use it. The link will be in the description. So once you use it, open it, you can sign in with your email and then put in your OTP. And you can see Nexus Testnet right here. You can see the amount per month. So click on Nexus Testnet 3. Then you can see the duration. You can decide to buy for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, unlike for Mintair where it starts from 1 week. So once you click, you can decide to also fund this with funds from your wallet also. But if you cannot fund it yet, click on purchase node. And then you can confirm the buy. You can see insufficient credits and so. So if before that, you can just go ahead to impute these credits, impute the amount you would like to purchase. Let's say, for example, I want to purchase 20 USD. Okay, let me say 10 because of what I want to buy. 10 USD. Can continue. So it's going to redirect you to this payment page where you can decide how you want to make the payment. So, but preferably instead of connecting your wallet to it, or preferably instead of connecting your wallet to it, you can go ahead to just transfer to them. So I'll just input my email. Then instead of connecting wallet, just go ahead to scan QR code. And then over here, they will give you an address. Select the network you want to pay to, either Solana, Arbitrum, Optimism, or Mainnet, Ethereum. Select the network, select the token you want to use to pay, right? And then copy the email, copy the network address, the wallet address, and then send from your own wallet to the exact wallet you want to pay to, and then go ahead. Once you've done that, you can now go ahead to purchase the. Once you've done that, you can now go ahead to purchase the testnet node, and then you'll be asked to input your node ID, your CLI ID. So I've told us how to do that. So just go straight to your Nexus, right? Click on the left button, click on node, then click on add CLI ID, and then copy it and then paste it to connect, and then begin to mine. You don't need to put it on and off every time. So just continue to mine continuously. So if you come across any challenge with this node, just do let me know in the comment section on my Telegram page. So that's it. Either you use the Mintair node or use the rapid node to purchase a node for Nexus Testnet 3 airdrop. So that's it on running the Nexus Testnet 3 node. So go ahead and run this node. This is probably the last phase of the Nexus Testnet, right? And it will be ending around August. Then after that goes the mainnet. So thank you for watching this video. do not subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this. If you have further questions, you can drop them in my comment section, and they can also join my Telegram channel, which will be in the description, so you can be getting much more updates like this. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.